In today's video, I'm going to show you how to publish a game on itch.io step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. If you finished your game and you're ready to share it with the world, this guide will walk you through the full process from logging in to hitting publish. We'll cover where to click, what details to fill in, how to upload your game file, and how to choose whether your game is free or paid. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and game publishing tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to itch.io in your browser and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one first, but once you're signed in, you'll land on the itch.io site and can start managing your projects. Next, look at the top of the page and click on Dashboard. This is where all of your projects are managed, and it's the main place you'll use to upload and publish your game. Once you're inside the dashboard, find and click Create New Project. This is the starting point for adding a brand new game to itch.io. After that, you'll be taken to the project setup page. Here, enter your game title and the basic details so players can understand what your game is about. Make sure the title is clear and matches your game exactly, because this is what people will see first. Then fill in the description and any other important information about your game, such as what genre it is, how to play it, or what makes it special. The more complete your details are, the better your game pace will look to potential players. Now it's time to upload your game file. Depending on your game, this may be a zip file, a browser build, or another supported format. Make sure the file is packaged correctly before uploading so players can download or play it without issues. After the file is uploaded, move on to the pricing section. Here, you can set your game to free or choose a price if you want to sell it. If you're just getting started, free is often the easiest option because it lets people try your game without any barrier. Once that's done, continue filling in all the remaining details on the page. This can include thumbnails, screenshots, tags, category options, and any other information that helps your game stand out. Take your time here because a well-presented page can make a big difference in how your game is received. When everything is filled out and looks good, click Save and then publish the game. That final step makes your project live on itch.io so other people can discover, view, and play it. If you ever need to make changes later, you can always return to your dashboard and update the project again. And that's it. You've not learned how to publish a game on itch.io from start to finish. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your game release.